everyone, it is Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with this month's mystery kit, and I'm so excited for this one. We've done a theme like this in the past, but oof, so good. This is the February mystery for 2024. If you sign up for mystery next month, you'll get a different mystery kit. This is exclusive art, so you won't find it anywhere else. But if you are looking for this art because you are not subscribed, I would definitely check out the Buy Sell Trade group on Facebook. And this is a movie theater themed kit, and I think this looks so cute. I love the purple with it. And I just love everything about it. It's really great for those weeks where you're not really doing anything, but you're going to the movies, or if you just like are watching movies at home, your favorite movie is premiering. But I think it turned out so good. Like, I am obsessed. This is dusk art, and I just think she killed it. I think adding some quotes from your favorite movies would be really fun in here. Or if you go see a movie, like quotes from that movie would be really cute. I love the popcorn, and then these fashion options are everything. And I love the details, and like how like this just looks like back home, like how movie theaters look, like all olden from the 90s. Lots of deco here, lots of little candy bits to sprinkle around, and you have a faux black glitter throughout, which is really fun and unique. The little movie theater with the countdown on the front, and then the hand holding the tickets here. These patterns are super fun as well. Just gives very like 90s movie theater vibes, and I really, really like it. I think it's so pretty with these fun colors. I have the popcorn bottom washi. It was just had to happen because popcorn and movies are just two things that go together. Extra colors, this really pretty light pink, and then the extra page here you have some more fashion box options, and then other skin tone options holding the little movie tickets. Then as far as foil goes, you do have a sparkly black confetti version 2 foil bundle. Let me show you on this page. There we go, sparkly black, very, very popular foil color in the SPC lineup, and this will match a ton, but I thought this would be perfect with this, especially with the faux black foil, and putting this on top will really pop against the spread. So that is in the ultimate kit. You do get the foil bundle, so you get 2 pages of the header overlays and full box overlays, the bougie boxes, the icons, and the scripts, as well as the bottom washi fancy headers, date numbers, and deco. And I am obsessed with this. I don't know when I'm going to use it. I'm going to have to look at the lineup of like what movies are coming out this year, but I definitely want to use it when I'm like a movie that's coming out that I'm very excited for. Whew. I also love the icy too. It just such quintessential movie theater energy, and I'm obsessed with it. Then for the mini kit, let me go ahead and flip on through this. Kirsten did put a gold label with this for the mini kit freebie, one of the freebies, and this is also like a fun foil option as well. It would be gold to pop, or like champagne lights, or hollow, sparkly hollow, lavender hollow. If you wanted to do a sparkly red, I think that could be really fun as well, or like a purple. We have a lot of purples in shop, a lot of fun sparkly purples. So normal mini kit format, and then the freebies in this, you do get the label sampler, the label 2, as well as a little mini freebie. But I'm obsessed. I hope you are too. I am just very excited to use this, and now I kind of want to go and see like what movies are coming out this year. If you have a movie that you're excited about that's coming out this year, let me know in the comments down below. And I think that is everything. And I hope you like this video, and I will talk to y'all in my next one. Bye!